Righto guys, welcome back to another one. Something a little bit different guys. Thought I'd take you through a new purchase that I've just bought, which is companion Aqua Heat. So yeah, this episode guys, I'll show you why I bought it, why I went such a portable unit, and how it just makes that camping experience a little bit better. So today guys, we're at camp. We've been on a 2-day trip, so we've got dishes to do. We've got a couple of majestic gentlemen that are going to have a shower, potentially me, and show you how easy this unit is guys. So let's get into it. Righto guys, so the unit itself guys, it's quite compact as you can see, one hand lift, pretty simple. I went this unit because it's easy. The wife can use it, the kids can use it. It's just a 2-button starting system. So turn the unit on, start. You've got a little adjuster dial here to adjust what temperature you want to use. Also, it meets all the standards. It cuts out at 50 degrees, but yeah, so you can have a nice warm shower. As you'll see, it's got a little gas bottle that screws in here. You can buy a hose and run it off a 9 or a 4 kilo, but it does have a built-in gas regulator, so you don't need to worry about any of that sort of stuff. But I just use the little companion gas cylinders, and yeah, bloody works a treat. So it's a lithium unit. You can charge it while you're using it, but yeah, I've charged it up. It lasts about 2 hours, so doing the dishes and having a couple of showers and then put it on charge that night, bloody works a treat. So it comes with these nice silicone hoses and these easy quick release fittings. So pretty simple. On the front it's got in and out, so you just clip them on. It also comes with a little pump. You can drop in a freshwater stream, or like behind me I can drop in the lake, which is fresh water. So you don't need to bring drums today. I have brought a drum, but yeah, little pump, little quick release fitting, and then just a little power DC plug. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So I'll show you guys how it works. So I'll get some dishes done and yeah, show you how easy it is. Righto guys, so it's as simple as that. The hookup's really easy guys. It's 3 connections, so you got your in, your out and your DC. You're simply going to turn the unit on by holding the button. You'll see it light, the display lights up, so that's what you want. Obviously make sure your gas bottle's screwed in. Then you're simply just going to push start. So you hear it light, and then you can adjust your temperature on the gauge, so sort of what temperature you want your water. Your shower head has got a on-off switch on it, so yeah, as soon as you turn it on, it starts pumping. It's fully adjustable, and then yeah, you start getting warm water. So we're going to crank out these dishes and yeah, probably have a couple of showers. Righto guys, so there you have it. She's a little ballterror unit for 370 bucks, $10 gas cartridge, bucket of water. You've got hot water. You know, we all want to use hot water when we're doing the dishes. It's a bloody pain in the ass out camping. Everyone wants a nice hot shower on a cold day. So yeah, get yourself a companion Aqua Heat guys. I recommend it. Bang a little unit, and yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe guys, and yeah, check us out on the next one.